Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start in Shortcuts. Open the app and tap the plus to create a new shortcut. Add the Open App action and pick the app you want to relaunch with a custom icon. Once done, tap the three dots to name the shortcut clearly so you can find it later, and pick Add to Home Screen. Make sure you're logged into your device account so icon artwork and changes save properly. This initiates the replacement process you'll finish next. Now customize the visual. Tap the icon preview in the Add to Home Screen sheet and choose Photo, File, or Take Photo to supply artwork. Once you select an image, adjust the crop so the important part is centered, then tap Add to place the shortcut on your home screen. Make sure to position it where you want. You can drag into folders or pages. You're not altering the original app. This shortcut simply launches it with a new appearance. Finish by tapping the new home screen icon to test it. You may be prompted to allow shortcuts to open the app. Tap Open. If you prefer, move the original app to a folder or second page so only the custom icon shows. If tapping the icon does nothing or launches shortcuts instead, recheck the Open App action, delete and recreate the shortcut, and verify Shortcuts has permission to run. Once done, your custom icon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.